I saw a question earlier this week, and the question was about what would happen if you lose access to your wallet? How do you recover it? So depending on what wallet you get, if you get like a hardware wallet, Jack's wallet, doesn't matter what wallet you get, each wallet comes with a 12-word or 24-word backup phrase. And this is pretty much a string of words, like for example, 12 random words that you have to write down as your backup key. So if you were to ever lose access to your wallet, like for example, if it's your hardware wallet, like your Ledger Nano, it falls in water, it stops working, or your Jack's wallet, your computer busts up and you need to get a new computer, right? So people always ask that, and you need your 12-phrase code. And I really stress this inside under step number 2. We talk about wallets, but that's how you can recover your account. And as in fact, there is something, let me actually see if I can find it. I have it with me physically. I forgot the name, but it's somewhere where you can actually write down the 12-phrase code, and it's fireproof and waterproof. So it's better than just putting it on a piece of paper. So what I would actually recommend is whenever you set up a new account, the easiest thing you can do is write it down and laminate it. But what you could also do is, let me just find the name of this. I'm bringing this out in front of. It's called. Let me see what this is called. It's called Crypto Steel. Let me actually bring up. This is what I have with me right now. This is what I put all my backup phrases on. Absolutely not necessary, but for those of you that want to see what it is, let me bring it up here. Crypto Steel. So it's like a steel thing. It's pretty heavy, and there's little words and letters that you can put in to make up words. So it's like a 24-phrase thing, and this is pretty much like your backup. It is pretty expensive. I can't recommend you guys to buy it. I'm showing you what I personally do, where I put my personal keys, like my backup phrases, because the backup phrases are really important. So like, for example, I have a Trezor. So if my Trezor, something happens to it, it doesn't work, it gets stolen, or whatever happens, the backup phrases is key, because then I could just get another Trezor and then just use the backup phrase to recover all my funds. So so you can see here, this is the one I have, but it's pretty expensive. Like it gives you, if you sign up even on Jack's, it gives you 12 phrases of words. You just got to fill it out over here, and then it closes up. That thing comes over here, closes up, locks in. So it's like waterproof and fireproof. So if you actually want to get really serious and care about like the backup phrases and security, this is one of the things you can use. It is very extra though. Like, you can get the same thing done by just writing it down on a piece of paper and laminating it, or just putting it somewhere secure. But this was something that I want to share with everyone as well. I can put the site on for those of you who are interested, but it's definitely not required at all. Let me put it over here. How much does it cost? Well, it's like pretty much you're engraving steel. Like, it just gives you a bunch of steel so you can put your stuff in there. I mean, this is the cool thing is though, it is a 12-phrase word, like a 24-phrase word, but it's like 120 euros, so it's like $150 US. So I don't really, yeah, you can get it done without this. Like, you don't need this at all.